In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable under attack mode on your Cloudflare managed domain. This feature is particularly useful when you're encountering suspicious activity or experiencing a distributed denial of service attack, often referred to as a DDoS attack. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help safeguard your website. Now let's dive into the process step by step to ensure your site remains secure. First, head over to Cloudflare's website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Cloudflare's URL. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. It's a good idea to have your login credentials handy before beginning this step. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one and add your domain. But for those already set up, logging in should only take a second. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Cloudflare dashboard. From here, you'll want to locate the domain you'd like to protect. For some people, this might appear right on your homepage, while others might need to navigate to a Domains or Sites section from a menu on the screen. Take a moment to select the correct domain, especially if you're managing more than one. After selecting your domain, direct your attention to the right side of the page. There you'll find a section called Quick Actions. In this section, Cloudflare has simplified processes for some of their most useful features. As you scroll through these options, you'll stumble upon Under Attack Mode. This feature is designed to add an extra layer of security by displaying an interstitial page to visitors before they can access your website. It is incredibly beneficial if you're under a heavy flood of malicious traffic. To enable this mode, simply toggle the switch. It's right next to the Under Attack Mode. This action turns on the security feature instantly. You don't have to wait long. Within seconds, your domain will activate this heightened level of protection. It's a good idea to check your site afterward to ensure everything is working fine for legitimate users. Keep in mind, though, that while this mode is great in emergencies, it might slightly alter the user experience, so you might not want to leave it on all the time. And that's it, you're all set. This straightforward method can make a huge difference in maintaining the security of your website. Take a moment to breathe a sigh of relief, knowing you're better protected against potential cyber threats. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks to make the most out of your online experience.